terrorist. Me too. And me. Organized terrorism. We are experts at explosions. We hide ourselves behind caps and dark glasses. We use our hands and our fists if necessary, and we use that deadly yellow color. We support our colleagues who are in jail, and we use the slogans of dangerous convicts. We have loud, powerful weapons. There are millions of us, self-incriminated terrorists, for having organized a referendum. We use our bodies to raise dangerous human walls, and we will always keep building them. Terrorist is, will always be terrorists. The Spanish state persecutes and accuses peaceful citizens, Catalan leaders, and peaceful protest organizations like Tsunami Democratic of terrorism. Spain Minister of Interior Marlaska declared that the disturbances in Catalonia had a greater impact than ETA terrorism, which took the lives of more than 800 people. That is how they are persecuting our peaceful people. Europe and the rest of the world cannot turn their backs on us. Stand with Catalonia.